Alright, today we are going to be installing these B2 fabrication resonator deletes on my 2021 Ram 1500 HEMI. I did not pull it around the garage simply because I wanted to give it a fresh cold start sound. It's been sitting for a couple days. All you need is a 13mm socket to take off your orient tips, 15mm socket to install the clamps, wrench. I'm using some red 106 RTV to seal up this joint a little bit better, sawzall, and a measuring tape. Okay, here's the bend mark, pretty easy to tell, and then they want you to go 1 inch up from that. So if you see, this pipe is installed. Yeah, it's a little hard to see, but the end of the OEM pipe will sit pretty close to the end of this. Alright, resonator's cut, the tip is removed. Then we just have to get out of this exhaust hanger up here, so I like to just spray a little bit of WD-40 on that. It'll pop right out, unless you have a set of exhaust hanger pliers, and it makes this a lot easier. Alright, second one's cut off. Before you mount the resonator delete pipe, just use a little tool like this, deburr some of the edges from your cut. Alright, I got everything installed. Both sides. I ended up finding a couple exhaust leaks. I didn't put enough RTV around this connection over here or over here, and the tips weren't exactly lined up perfectly, so I actually went ahead and disassembled everything and realigned everything. It fits a little bit better than it did before. Still not 100% perfect, but it is a cut and clamp system. Here you can see the tips are just a little bit different as far as where they stick out. It's about as good as I could get them. But here is a cold start video.